I thought I'd do a short video to describe the advantages and the options of using a memory card option in your Mercedes NTG 4.0 head unit. If you don't have a chip in your head unit, what you want to do is push this button to get access and then push it again to release the PCMCIA slot adapter. If you don't have one, you can get one for like $10 on Amazon. Easy to get, works like a champ. It doesn't seem to take a high-spec unit. Inside, you can see I've installed a 64 gigabyte, probably bigger than necessary unit. I use that because I put a lot of music in my car and I download a lot of books for my long road trips. You install the chip in the PCMCIA slot adapter, press it in, and then the unit will start reading the chip and display the results. If you've selected the memory card option, which I do most of the time when I'm driving, to be honest, when you first start up the car, it will start reading the chip. Because I've got this ginormous 64 gigabyte chip, it takes a while for it to actually download all the information so that the head unit knows how to react to it. But if you're just a little bit patient, then I'm going to turn it down because I can't really have copyrighted music playing without messing up the way the video works. But I'm going to use the toggle button here and just push it, and it just keeps jumping up a single section. So you can see I've got lots of options here for different vintages and different genres of music. I have an odd musical taste, but you can just select the artist you want. You can select the actual album, and then you can start playing the music, and it will be playing, and it sounds beautiful, folks. It really is a good sounding system. It's better than Bluetooth, easier than streaming, easier to navigate. You can download your own music, no commercials. I really have to tell you, it's a really nice option. If your car has it and you don't have a chip in it, go ahead and spend the 20, 30, 40 bucks needed to put a PCMCIA adapter and an SD card in, and just start enjoying your Mercedes just that little bit more. It's really worth it, folks.